The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Mornings with Kimi. So today we are getting the house cleaned. Later on, Aaron and I are going to go shopping at 3 different stores, and one of the stores blew me away. I just loved all the decor they had out. So don't miss that video today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But for this morning's video, I'm getting my house clean. And then at the end of this video, we're going to fix breakfast because after all this cleaning, I got pretty hungry. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Grab your coffee and let's get going.
My friend, I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
The song is speaking of Christmas, and speaking of Christmas, the other day I had on in the background a Christmas Inheritance on Netflix, and y'all, it is so good. When I clicked on it, I was like, oh my gosh, am I really gonna watch a cheesy Christmas movie? Because almost all of them have the same storyline. And it kind of did have the same storyline, but it was so good. So if you haven't watched it, go check it out.
It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door.
I needed to switch over my loads, so I am getting this stuff out of the dryer. Thankfully, it's not a lot. We will get to that at the end of this video. And then I'm going to go ahead and get everything in the washing machine, in the dryer, and then go round up all the dirty clothes.
With you. Then you know it's Christmas, the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children.
All right, comment of the day goes to Rhonda. She said, it's so heartwarming to see good things happen to good people. It is your faith, kindness, hard work, and determination that has brought you to this point, and I'm so happy for you both. Thank you so much. It is comments like yours that make this job so fun and just very grateful. So thank you for that. If y'all want a comment featured on my channel, all you have to do is leave a comment down below and I may pick it for the next video.
Final gift. You know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
My mirror isn't super dirty, but there is toothpaste splatter at the bottom. So I'm just going to use this e-cloth with some water and get that wiped down.
And then you know it's Christmas, the snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on
the countertop, I am going to be using the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli. I have a little bit left in this bottle and it's all gone, but this stuff is so good and it smells great. Now I'm going to use this soft soap in my empty soap dispenser, and it's just an Equate bottle that I had a while back, and I have filled it up twice with this what did it say, soft soap. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I got that at Dollar Tree, but it was one of those like $3 or $4 items. Anyway, best thing ever done when it comes to hand soap because it works great and it smells good and it's super cheap. So the kitchen, countertops, and stovetop are a hot mess. I'm going to get all this wiped down, and now you're going to be seeing me use the Mrs. Meyer's Rose spray. I have multiple cleaning products that I am wanting to get through. That way I can declutter by emptying them out and then start over. So y'all are probably going to see me use a lot of cleaning products these days.
Why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland.
For my refrigerator and the pantries and then the cabinet that we put our drinks in, I'm going to use this Clorox Scentiva spray. I stopped using this on my table and countertops because I DIY'd my countertops, and that spray is a little bit too harsh for that surface. A couple of you asked me in the Christmas Decorate With Me where we put up the tree what kind of tree it was, so I figured I would share that with all of y'all. But it is the Balsam Hill, and it's the Balsam Alpine Fir. And I think the one I have is like 6 feet. It's not very tall, but it works great for our home because we have very short ceilings. And I didn't even think about how my tree looked whenever I picked out that Christmas tree artwork that's behind it, but it just makes that piece of artwork come to life because I feel like our tree actually looks similar to that one. So now I'm just going around the house and I'm going to get everything vacuumed. Now I'm just going to get this basket of laundry folded and put away. Thankfully, it was just like some washcloths and a couple pairs of pants, and then our pillowcases and fitted sheets. So I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that now. So this basket has been my clutter secret from y'all all week long. I have been staring at this thing, and I, of all people, should have said, do it now. Did I do it now? I didn't. But what do we say? We do it now. So now we're doing it. And that's like, oh my gosh, do it now. Now we're doing it. Anyways, that's a lot of doing it, isn't it? I need to paint the rest of these doors because they'll be in one side white and one side brown with a blue stripe in the middle is not doing it for me. But this basket is meant to house the sheets that I have, so that's what I put in there, and I took everything else out, and then I'm gonna put all of my clothes that I took off in my bedroom and put in that basket where they actually go, which is in my office hanging up in a closet. So I'm glad I got that gnawing little clutter spot taken care of, and I don't have to think about it anymore. All right, y'all, it is time for the encouraging word of the day, and this one is by Imperfectly Simple. And it says, when you feel overwhelmed, remember a little at a time is how it gets done. One thing, one task, one moment at a time. And I thought that was good to share right now because when the holidays start approaching, it feels like everybody becomes in a rush because you want to go see family. You may have to prepare a dinner. You've got to get gifts and wrap them, and there's just like a lot of things that happen between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and it can feel a little bit overwhelming sometimes. So it's nice to remember that you can take things slow. So I'm using this Yankee spray, and it's the, oh my goodness, Pink Sands. It smells so good. Y'all saw I put some sausage in the pan because I got hungry after all that cleaning, and so I'm gonna make myself a sausage egg sandwich, and you'll be surprised at what I end up putting on this sandwich, but it actually turned out pretty good.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer.
Hopefully I didn't trigger anybody with me poking a hole in the egg yolk, but when I was a kid, I loved runny eggs. I don't know when my mind changed about it, but now I cannot stomach the idea of eating a runny egg, and yet I eat mayonnaise, and I know how mayonnaise is made, but it's pasteurized eggs, so I'm telling myself it doesn't count.
That spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine.
Those are, in fact, pickles. At first, I doubted myself and thought, what are you thinking? But then I thought of the times that I eat a burger with an egg on top and how I also put pickles on it, and it tastes good. And sausage isn't a burger, but it kind of gives you that feeling. So it's like a breakfast burger. Y'all, this was great. I will eat pickles on my sausage egg sandwich from now on. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a scripture at the end and then also a couple more videos for y'all to watch. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. See you next time.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big